Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Hakman Traders. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to avoid some of the biggest mistakes in the stock market or in the forex market. Now there are some mistakes that you have to avoid in both of the markets, whether if you're trading stock market or forex market. These mistakes are something that will cost you. Maybe you blow up your account, or maybe you lose a lot of your capital. So you got to be aware of these mistakes of not doing this ahead. Now in this video I maybe show you some of them, but maybe in the upcoming videos of mine I will show you more of the mistakes that you should avoid in these markets. So let's get started. Now as you see here, the first thing is that you will have to do your technical analysis. That is the most important thing that you have got to do. And the second most important thing is do your risk management. These two are the most important. These two are I'm going to be explaining to you in the next video of mine. Now some of the mistake that you should avoid is that you got to be aware of what's happening, what are the external news as well. As you can see here, if you invested in these areas, you didn't know this was the peak of the COVID-19. This was the peak of COVID-19. As it reached, lockdowns got imposed, it suddenly dropped. So you got to be aware of what's happening around you. Now in this case, as you see here, you got to be aware of what's happening around you. Now as you see here, you got this happened. So this was your you are aware of this, the COVID-19, of the impacts. You've got to be aware of this, whether certain situations, what is the impact of certain situation on the stock market. So be aware of this. The second thing is that you got to do that trade with the trend. Do not trade at the highest level like over here. If you do your risk management. Now you do not know whether this market will come down or go up, but you have to do your risk management over here, or otherwise do not trade over here, because this is the highest point and maybe the market turns from this point. Maybe the indicators also show you that this market is going to go up, as in case of here. As you can see here, you've bought over here and on the assumption that it might go up, and you can see the market turned against you. So be aware of this situation. If you want to invest, always look at the downside or the pullbacks. As you see here, in the pullbacks, wait for other candlestick to form and to show you where the market is heading, or otherwise to know where the pullback might occur. So draw the Fibonacci replacement level, which is over here, place it over here and drag it up to here. I think I've shown to you in previous videos of mine this. Now these were the two mistakes. Never invest at these levels. Now as you can see over here, this was a big price rejection, so I'm not going to invest it over here. I'm going to instead what I'm going to do is I will wait for it to show me a downside, to change its course, to change its trends, to change the direction of the trend, as you might say. I will wait for that to give me positive results, and I will short it at this level. I'm not doing this at the moment, as I'm saving up much of my capital, and as it comes down, I will short my position accordingly. Now as you can see, the indicators might be showing that these are going up, but as you can see from the parabolic SAR, and you can see from the what you say, the action of the investors, this was a huge price rejection on the upside. So it says that bulls were active but bears were strong, as you can see here, and the same showed the other two candlesticks. So this might be a downtrend. No, not a downtrend, but it might go in a downward direction. Now the other mistake, the third mistake, or the fourth mistake, which I want to show you over here, is that always diversify your portfolio. Diversify your portfolio and have a plan for it, that how you are going to invest in the stock market. Which stocks are you going to buy, and what will be the size of those stocks. You will have to do your calculations for that. Do your risk management for each and every stock. Always invest in those stocks which you know that these will go up. Not do not assume that it will go up. Always do your calculations and do your risk management. If anything goes against you, you will be okay. You will lose a little, but you will be okay. You won't be that much affected by your loss. So do your risk management, Diversify your portfolio accordingly into different stocks. Never hear the crowd. Always uh, invest on your own judgment. Do your investment on your own. That is the most important thing. And that's it for. And the other two of what you call the technical analysis and the risk management, I'll be explaining those to you in the next video of mine. So stay tuned. That's it for today. Wait a minute. Yeah, in a side trend, before ending in a side trend, if you want to invest in a side trend, always do not invest in a side trend if you do not know what how a side trend works. Now if you want to invest in a side trend, always invest such that, let me, now as you see here, over here, as you see here, this is the lowest level. Find out the lowest and the highest level. As you can see here, find out the lowest and the highest level in a side trends and trade accordingly. Now this was the lowest and this is the highest. Now you know what are the lowest levels and what are the highest. So as it came down here, buy the stocks over here. This is the price rejections, the as you can see here. So buy over here and sell it over here or somewhere here for if you want to gain little profits in a side trend. As it came down here, again buy it over here and sell it over here or wait for it to show you positive results. Now this is the method of trading a side trend. If you want to trade a side others how to trade a side trend, I've made a video on that. You can check out my previous videos as well, or maybe I'll link it somewhere here in the I description, over here in the I button. Click on the I button and you will know where are those. So that's it for today. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market. All I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me. Goodbye.